Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a product that promises to keep you hydrated, energized, and full of essential nutrients. Key Nutrients Multivitamin Electrolytes Powder. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone who wants to stay healthy and active, this powder might be exactly what you need. Key Nutrients Multivitamin Electrolytes Powder is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes designed to support your overall health and hydration. Let's break down some of the key benefits. First off, this powder is loaded with a wide range of vitamins and minerals. It includes vitamin C for immune support, B vitamins for energy production, and vitamin D for bone health. It's like a multivitamin and electrolyte supplement rolled into one. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially if you're active or live in a hot climate. The electrolytes in this powder like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help replenish what you lose through sweat, keeping you balanced and hydrated throughout the day. Need a little extra energy? The B vitamins in Key Nutrients Multivitamin Electrolytes Powder are known for their role in converting food into energy. Plus, the added electrolytes help support endurance during workouts, making this a great pre- or post-workout drink. After a tough workout or a long day, your body needs to recover. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes in this powder can help speed up recovery, reduce muscle cramps, and get you back to feeling your best. Not only is this powder packed with benefits, but it's also super easy to use. Just mix a scoop with water, stir, and enjoy. And trust me, the taste is refreshing, perfect for sipping on throughout the day. So if you're looking for a simple way to boost your hydration, energy, and overall wellness, give Key Nutrients Multivitamin Electrolytes Powder a try. I've been loving it, and I think you will too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.